Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix iPhone sign out not available. If you're using any iPhone or iPad and you're trying to sign out from your Apple ID, but you're facing this type error which is sign out is not available due to restrictions. So let's see some possible fixes for this. The very first thing, you just have to close your settings app, then relaunch it and go ahead to your general section, go to software update, and you have to make sure that you're on the latest version on iOS. And after that, you have to simply go back and just go to screen time section. And screen time, just scroll down and look for content and privacy restrictions. And you just have to try to disable all the restrictions from here. So once you have disabled all the restrictions, it might be that your issue must have to be fixed. You have to retry to go to your Apple ID to check if your issue has been fixed or not. Or if it's still not fixed, your issue is see, my issue is not fixed. So you have to simply go back and go to screen time section again, and here you'll see the option of change screen time passcode. Just tap on this and then select turn off screen time passcode, and here enter your screen time passcode. And once you have done, you just have to close your settings app and then relaunch your settings app. Now just tap on your Apple ID here, and here you can see that our issue has been fixed. Now sign out is available and you can easily sign out from your Apple ID. So in this way you can easily fix sign out is not available in your iPhone or in your iPad. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.